Hey Damian, I love your vlogs. Can you show me Kuta Beach, please? Sure I can, mate. Here we go. This is the entrance to the Kuta Beach next to Grand and definitely different vibe. Already some people around. Here's one. Foreigners. Here somebody. Where is Jimmy? Here is some couple. And Jimmy Simpson is here. Here you go, mate. What are you eating, huh? How you doing, brother?
Yeah.
All good? All good?
Yeah. All good, mate.
Where are the tourists? I see only two guys behind you. After that,
Not tourist, yeah?
not yet,
Not yet.
bro. But I was in Canggu and during the weekend, you know. In
Yeah.
Canggu, so busy, bro. I don't know why it's like that. So many people in Canggu, but here still.
Yes,
Still waiting.
Yeah, still waiting. I don't know what we're waiting,
But we are waiting, right?
yeah,
So-
still waiting for
so-
you guys to come to Bali.
But
Hopefully
after-
soon, yeah? Oh,
hopefully
next
soon.
month, hopefully.
Next month. Hopefully
no
next month,
problem.
guys. Alright, so they are behind me some foreigners, but I think they are expats actually, so they are not really tourists. And meanwhile, yeah, that's how it is. Let's see how's the situation with Timmy. Timmy is busy talking with somebody, so let's see. Walking a little bit by the beach in Kuta right now, heading into beach walk area. I don't know, doesn't really looks that much optimistic, I could say. All right, so situation by the beach right now looks like most likely only locals enjoying their time by the Kuta Beach, but not so many foreigners, or maybe not even any foreigners, definitely not so many tourists, especially if we are comparing this to Canggu situation, what we showed you during the weekend. It was so busy, but currently there is the water waves, it's high tide. But currently in Kuta Beach in Bali right now seems like more likely only local people chilling and enjoying. Definitely not many foreign tourists around. So maybe not yet. Maybe like many of you let me know in the comment section. We have to wait for another few months, at least May, June. Probably something like that. Oh, here we go. This is some lady. Looks like just arrived. But after that, really not that much. Yo, still so many local people, not really foreigners. By the beach, I know it's weekday. Last time on the weekends was slightly more busier. However, if you are tourist, I think it doesn't really matter what day is today, because you're on holiday, so every day is weekend, right? But seems like not so many people in Kuta, especially to compare, like I said already a few times, to Canggu or even Nusa Dua, where I was yesterday with Winnie. Was definitely, yo, in Kuta, not that busy as in Canggu or in Nusa Dua. Definitely, Canggu, definitely number one. I know many of you may don't like it, but yeah, that's how it is. And I don't really like either. However, I'm just showing you how it is. As always, this is the entrance to the Jalan Popis Lane 2. And let's go to the beach. Well, let's see how's the life today over there. Here we go, guys. This is the entrance to the Jalan Popis Lane 1. And, well, the same like last week. Not really has changed. All the windows are open. Here was some construction. And the situation by the street, definitely traffic next to the beach walk. As always, the girl waving from the bemo. I will zoom a little bit for you. Here we go. But local people, mostly local people. Well, this is the comprehensive review, comprehensive current situation in Bali right now. Very end of March 2020. There will be quite busy through the local community, local people in April due to the Ramadan. So, but meanwhile, seems like this. There is some foreigner lady at the front. Yeah, that's how it is. Traffic, always traffic in beach walk. Definitely it's better, but for some reason Kuta Beach still quiet. But after that, on the streets, very busy. If you don't like beach clubs and you're looking for foreigners, more likely you can find them in the mall perhaps, or in the Starbucks drinking coffee, which is also possible. Here we go. Seems like a worldwide trend regarding Bali, and what is the attraction has changed. Nowadays is more life and more foreigners, and in general more life by the street, not really by the beaches like it was pre-post situation. So this is my observation only. Meanwhile, situation by the parking area here at the front of the beach walk seems pretty busy. Quite many people as always. Here we go. Now you can buy the local products, stuff in the street. And here we go, beach walk situation outside. I used to do live stream last weekend actually here, so not so long ago, but I hope so you're still enjoying. Actually during the weekdays it's not really much different than the weekend if we are talking about the beach walk area. Here we go. It's actually quite busy. Quite busy. Here we go. There are some foreigners at the front. Here in Kuta, it is how it is. As always, you can expect daily videos from me regarding the situations and everything. And well, I just wanna personally notice, as if you're looking for tourists around, definitely you can find them in the beach clubs, eventually in Nusa Dua. But in Kuta, if you're looking for the people and the tourists, I think more likely in the mall, not really by the beach, not really drinking bintang. I don't know why it's like that, but that's how it looks currently, guys. Also in the Starbucks behind is quite busy with the people, so everything seems like it's changing, and it's possibly whenever you're gonna come to Bali, the vibe, it's not gonna be exactly how it was. Or if many of you guys gonna come and would like to be on the beach like it used to be, I think it's gonna be probably like that. But in upcoming next few months, the vibe will come back, like really holiday making vibe in Bali, especially in Kuta and Legion. Currently it's like little bit different. That's my personal thoughts. Hey guys, do you remember McDonald's over here? Currently it's gone, as you know, most of you, and there are two mini marts here in the Marina Alpha Express, something new. Yeah, just interesting fact. And also I'm gonna show you how does it look like at the entrance of Jalan Popis 1. Meanwhile, the traffic situation seems a little bit busy actually, so it's really... Yo, transport mate.
Yeah, transport.
Transport.
Can I do for you, brother?
Not much, thank you, brother. Here we go, some shoes here. But yeah, coming from Popis Lane 1, actually maybe I will have a Popis Lane 1 trip at the end of the week. Let's see. Here is also a little bit of massage if you're interested. Hello. Hello. This is exclusively Mercure situation in Kuta. Also quite busy in the parking area. And this is the situation of Hard Rock Hotel in Kuta. Also quite busy, more likely with local people, local tourists. Yeah, and it's open. Anyways. Alright guys, that was the exclusive current update from the end of the March on the Kuta Beach. Kuta Beach and the Kuta area at the front of the Grand Ina again. As I started, most likely busy, but not that many foreigners yet. Not yet, but it will be, definitely guys. Don't you worry, all of you guys and many people will come back in the next upcoming few months. It's definitely going better and better. Anyways, thank you so much for watching for today. And I will see you tomorrow, as always, on next one. See ya. Take care, guys.